Hey, what's up guys? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a cooling peel-off mask that I use. I love masks. They're really fun and great for your skin, and they're really nice to put on. I like to just put them on when I have pajamas and I'm kind of hanging out around the house, like watching TV or something. Makes for a kind of fun girls' night in. This is a cucumber cooling peel-off facial mask. It's really great. I'm definitely a really big fan of different facial masks and stuff. They work really well, and they just, when you need your skin needs a little break and a little rejuvenation, then this is totally my go-to completely. So the smell of cucumber makes this really relaxing, and the kind of the smell and the cooling sensation just work really well. And they make different masks as well. So they have a set Dead Sea Minerals Stress Clay Facial Mask, and then they also make a cucumber cooling peel off mask, which this is the one that clarifies and refreshes skin. So they're by Dead Sea Minerals, that's what it's called. Clarifies and refreshes skin for normal to combination skin. So combination skin could be oily to dry. I have combination skin, so I get an oily T-zone, and then I'll have dry skin elsewhere, especially in the winter time. What's great about this is it peels off, so I feel like it takes even more impurities out of your skin as some other masks that you would just have to rinse off. It's super easy to use, so you would just apply the mask to clean face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes. So I'm just going to read you a little bit of the info from the back. So this says, they don't call it cool as a cucumber for nothing. This peel-off cucumber mask is indeed ultra cooling and calming, as it gently removes skin dulling impurities. Cucumber and aloe soothe as they moisturize. Peel off this mask and reveal super silky soft skin after each use. Ideal for normal to combination skin. Directions for use. Apply mask evenly to cleansed face, avoiding the eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes or until dry. Gently peel off the mask. Rinse with warm water and use twice a week or as often as needed. So yeah, you definitely just have to be careful with your eyebrow area and stuff, because it's a peel off mask. It could potentially peel off your hair with it. So just be super careful. I just make sure I'm a little bit further away from my eyebrows, so I just don't get any of the product in that area. Ingredients: water, polyvinyl alcohol, alcohol denate, glycerin, PVP, PEG8, propylene glycol, tocopherol acetate, aloe barbidinus, leaf juice, cucumis sativus, cucumber fruit extract, cellulose gum, sodium PCA, hydrolyzed silk, ascorbic acid, allotonin, benzopofen, blue 1, methylparaben, propylparaben, sorry, my cat just jumped on my lap, phenol fragrance. The finished product is not tested on animals, which is awesome. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that means the other ingredients have been tested on animals. Let's hope not, though. Distributed by CVS Pharmacy Incorporated. The address is 1 CVS Drive in Woonsocket, Rhode Island, 02895. Copyright 2015 CVS Pharmacy, or cvs.com. Their phone number is 1-800-SHOP-CVS, and the product is made in Korea. So I don't know if this product is specifically made for CVS Pharmacy. It might be. It kind of looks that way. But yeah, so this is really great too because it's clear, and then it dries really nicely. It dries pretty fast, and I love the effect of peeling the mask off your skin, because sometimes it takes out blackheads, and it could take out whiteheads and stuff like that, along with any of the skin dulling impurities. It smells just like cucumber. It actually smells so delicious and refreshing that I kind of just want to take a bite out of it, but I won't, because I know it's not, you can't eat it, but that's how good it smells. And then it kind of dries up the way that this is the way it looks once it's dry, if that makes sense. It's these little clumps, and then this is how it goes on, just nice and clear. It has a nice, really thick kind of consistency. And they sell this in the tube, but they also sell this in like a little pack, like a one-use pack, which is also nice and easy to use. And then, like I said, they have the Dead Sea Minerals anti-stress clay facial mask too. So you could kind of use both combined and switch on and off. Both products are really, really great. And I just love this one because it's just so nice. It smells good. It's refreshing. Your skin feels so hydrated afterwards, and you just feel refreshed and rejuvenated, and without having to go to the salon. So guys, this was a cucumber cooling peel off facial mask. Clarifies and refreshes the skin for normal to combination skin. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you for watching. See you later.